Now thereafter we'll see the next question of the same topic, death of a partner. Okay. The question is, A, B and C were partners, sharing profit ratio 5:3:2. On 31st March 2019, their balance sheet was as under. Their balance sheet was as under. Okay, their balance sheet was as under. The balance sheet asset side building, machinery, stock, patents and cash. Asset side and liability side your creditors, reserve and capital of the three partners. C died on 1st October 2019. C died on 1st October 2019. Partners are A, B and C. A, B and C are partners. Here C died on 1st October 2019. Okay, this is the date of death. It was agreed between his executor and the remaining partner that goodwill be valued at 2 years purchase of the average profit of previous 5 years. So first of all, we will value the goodwill. Goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase. 2 years purchase into 2 years purchase into average profit of 5 years. Average profit of 5 years. So 2 into, now we'll calculate the average profit of 5 years. The profit given is as under. In 2015 the profit was 15,000. In 2016 this is 13,000. 2017 the profit was 12. 2018 the profit was 15. 2019 the profit was 20. This is the profit of last 5 years. So 2015 profit was, in 2015 the profit was this, 2016 the profit was this, 2017, 2018 and 2019. These are the profit of 5 years. Now we'll do the total of these all 5 years profit. Will be sum up $75. When you divide by 5, you will get the average profit. Average profit is how much? 15,000 is the average profit. So multiplied to 15. So goodwill is valued 30,000. Goodwill is valued at 30,000. 2 years purchase into average profit of last 5 years. Okay, so goodwill is valued 30,000. So C's share of goodwill will be C's share of goodwill, C's share of goodwill 30,000 into, what is the share of C? Profit sharing ratio between them are 5:3:2. So 2 by 10 is the C's share of goodwill. So it is 6,000 is the C's share of goodwill. Now we'll prepare the revaluation account because the assets and liabilities are revalued and reassessed. So we'll prepare the revaluation account. Revaluation account. Okay, revaluation account is going to prepare the revaluation account. Okay, in this account, now we'll see the patents be revalued at 8,000 and the balance sheet patent is 6,000. So patents is increased by balance sheet, the patents value is 6 by patents. So patents is increased by patents is increased by 2000. Okay, revalued figure is 8, in the balance sheet it was given 6. Machinery revalued figure is 28, balance sheet it was 30. It means machinery is decreased by how much? Balance sheet it is 30 and revalued figure is 28, so it is decreased by 2000. Next is building, valued at 30, balance sheet it is 20, so building is increased. Building, value of building is increased by 10,000. Balance sheet it was 20, revalued figure is 30. Okay. Third point is profit for the year 2019-20 will be taken as having accrued at the same rate as the previous year. So this is for the profit calculation. Calculation of profit. C's share of profit. C's share of profit will be calculated. C's share of profit. C's share of profit. C's share of profit. C's share of profit. So C's share of profit is equal to, so in 2019-20 the B died on which accounting year? Died on 2019-20 financial year. In this financial year B died on 1st October. So April, May, June, July, August, September, 6 months. B was with the firm for 6 months and the profit will be considered accrued in the same rate as the previous year. The previous year profit was 20,000. Previous year profit was 20,000. Then calculate the profit for 6 months. 6 months because C remain in the business up to 1st October. From April to 1st October means up to September he was with the firm for 6 months. So we'll calculate the profit for 6 months. Thereafter we will give the share of C. C's share is how much? 2 by 10. 2 by 10. So 1 by 2. So 2000. So C's share of profit is 2000. Okay. Now here we will calculate the revaluation profit or loss. This side is 12,000. This side credit exceed the debit, so it's a profit. Profit on revaluation. Transfer to where? Transfer to partners capital account. Partners capital account. A, B and C. So profit is how much? 10,000 is the profit. This will be distributed between the partners in which ratio? 5:3:2. So 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. Okay, 5,000, 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. Is it clear? So interest on capital, point number D, interest on capital be provided at the rate of 10%. So interest on C's capital will be how much? C's capital in the business is 15,000 is the C's capital and the rate of interest on C's capital is at the rate of 10% per annum. And C is remain in the business for 6 months because C died on this date, 1st October. So he is entitled to get the interest for 6 months only. He is entitled to get the interest for 6 months only. 750 will be the interest on C's capital. So a sum of rupees 7,750 was paid to his executor immediately. So prepare C's capital account. So we'll prepare the C's capital account. C's capital account will be prepared. C's capital account. C is the deceased partner who had died. Going to prepare the capital of C. So by balance brought down, first of all we'll transfer the opening capital balance of C. C's opening capital balance is 15,000. Thereafter we transfer the interest on capital. We have calculated here 750. Thereafter we'll transfer the share of profit, PL suspense, this one share of profit to C. Thereafter we'll transfer the goodwill amount, that is 6,000. This is the goodwill, C's share of goodwill. So C's capital account will be credited and continuing partner A's capital and B's capital will be debited. Here the future ratio between them are not changed. So this 6,000 will be transferred to both partner in their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3. 5:3 in between them. Profit sharing ratio is 5:3. So this 6,000 will be divided 5/8 and 3/8. So it is, and 3/8 this. So 3,000 by A's capital by B's capital. This is for what? This is for goodwill treatment. So 3,750 and 2,250. Okay. Reserve is given in the balance sheet, so reserve will also be transferred. Reserves given in the balance sheet is how much? Reserve given in the balance sheet is 7,000. So that 7,000 will be transferred to partners capital account. That 7,000 will be transferred to partners capital account. So reserve is 7,000. Reserve is 10,000. This will be transferred in the ratio of 5:8, 5/8 and 5:3:2, 2/10. He is entitled to get 2/10 share, 2/10th share. So it is 2,000 reserve. 2,000 reserve will be transferred to the partner's capital account, C's capital account, interest on capital, share of profit. This is for goodwill, reserve, and one more thing, that is the revaluation profit. Revaluation profit. So where I will write here, I am going to write revaluation account. Revaluation profit is how much? 2,000. So we do the total thereafter. 0, 5, 1, 15, 16, 17, 1, 20, 10, 15, 17. Yes. 27,750. 27,750. So this amount will be transferred to C's executors account. Executors account 27,750. And thereafter the executor is paid. We have paid the executor out of 27,750. We have paid to the executor 20,000. How much amount we have paid? 7,750 we have paid. So remaining amount in the executor account will be 20,000, is considered as C's executors loan account. C's executors loan account. Remaining amount will be treated as C's executors loan account. Okay, this will be treated as. So here also the way of treatment is clear about the goodwill, about the C's share of goodwill. Thereafter the C's share of goodwill is transferred to the continuing partners capital account in their gaining ratio. Here the profit sharing ratio in between the continuing partners is not changed. then that amount is transferred in the ratio of 5:3, assuming it that the gaining ratio will be the same as the previous ratio between the continuing partner. Then C's share of profit is calculated, then interest on capital for 6 months is calculated. While calculating the C's share of profit, we have considering the 6 months profit. Thereafter 6 months profit will be distributed in the profit sharing ratio, where the C's right is only 2/10. So into 2/10. So this account is clear, revaluations account and all.